Welcome to Car Update. Today we're taking you into the future of Italian supercar performance with the all-new 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't just the next chapter after the Huracan, it's an evolution, a bold, electrified machine that blends Lamborghini's unmistakable heritage with the technology of tomorrow. With a turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain and breathtaking design, the Temerario is engineered for thrill seekers who demand more than just speed. They crave presence, precision, and passion. Let's begin with the front view. The first thing you notice is its ultra-aggressive stance. The sharp, chiseled lines on the hood draw the eye to the piercing Y-shaped LED headlights, a signature of Lamborghini's future-forward design. The front splitter is wide and purposeful, flanked by large aerodynamic intakes that channel air with precision. The grille is sculpted, the emblem stands proud, and the low profile suggests a beast ready to roar. It's the kind of front end that doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Now we move to the back view. From here, the Temerario's performance DNA is on full display. Y-shaped LED tail lights stretch across the width with a futuristic glow, giving the rear an unmistakable identity. A bold diffuser sits low beneath the body, optimizing airflow while hinting at track-ready intentions. At the center, dual exhaust tips sit high and close, producing a fierce soundtrack from the hybrid twin-turbo V8. Every angle is a testament to speed and aggression, yet the execution remains elegant, even artistic. Switching to the right side view, we see the full silhouette that defines this supercar. It's low, sculpted, and tightly packaged, with aerodynamic precision in every detail. The roofline slopes aggressively toward the rear, and the side air intakes blend seamlessly into the bodywork. The multi-spoke alloy wheels are large and lightweight, hugging red brake calipers that peek out behind them. Every panel has a purpose. Every shadow tells a story of movement and control. Let's take a look from the left side now. This view mirrors the right, but with a clearer view of the design's symmetry and flow. The bold character lines run from the front fender all the way to the rear, giving the car a sense of momentum, even at a standstill. The proportions are perfect. The car feels like it was designed in motion, an aero mid-flight. With a semi-gray finish, light bounces off the body in dramatic, ever-shifting patterns. And now we step inside. The interior of the Temerario is where Lamborghini blends its racing soul with modern luxury. The cabin wraps around the driver like a cockpit, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster that responds in real time to driving dynamics. A floating central touchscreen manages everything from navigation to track telemetry. The seats are deep, supportive, and finished in a mix of Alcantara and carbon fiber, stitched with precision and accented with bold contrast colors. Ambient Y-shaped lighting illuminates the edges, giving the cabin a futuristic aura. The flat-bottom steering wheel is loaded with controls and designed for confidence. Every detail in here feels like it belongs on the track, but made for the road. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than just the successor to the Huracan. It's a declaration, a symbol of what comes next. Hybrid power, fierce design, and a driving experience that refuses to be forgotten.